Good morning.
Good morning.
Today we are going to make our weekly review worksheet number 4 of semester 3. Are you all ready?
Yes.
Covered during this week are: how can we perform calculations on inequalities? This week we started talking about inequalities. What signs do we use between in inequalities?
Less than.
Less than,
Greater
greater
than.
than,
Less than
or equal, greater than or equal. When we use equal, what do we call it? Equation or equality. Second, how can we represent solutions of inequalities on a number line? The third one, how can we solve equations and inequations? The fourth, how we verify if a value is a solution of an inequality. Dana, please read question number 1.
Write the obtain inequality.
Yes. Given the first inequality is
Minus 4 less than 9.
what changes should we do?
We should add 5.
Yeah. Now add 5 to both sides of the equation.
Minus 4 plus 5.
Minus 4 plus 5.
Less than 9 plus 5.
Less than 9 plus 5. If we add the same number to both sides of the inequality, the inequality is preserved. What do we mean by preserved?
Stay the same.
It's the sign which is less than stay the same. Now Hassan, 7 greater than 5, you should subtract 2 from both sides.
7 minus 2. Minus 2.
Yes.
Greater
Than
5 minus 2.
When we subtract the same number, the sign is preserved or reversed? Preserved. Now, Selena, minus 3 greater than minus 6, you should multiply both sides by 4.
Minus 3 times 4
Yes.
is greater than.
It stays greater than.
Minus 6 times 4.
When we multiply both sides by a positive number, the sign is?
Preserved.
It's also preserved. It doesn't change. But yeah, 10 is greater than 6. You should divide 2.
5.
No, we write 10 divided by 2 is?
Greater than.
Yes.
6 divided by 2.
6 divided by 2. When we divide by a positive number, the sign is? Preserved. Muhammad, minus 5 less than minus 2, you should multiply by minus 1.
Minus 5 times minus 1.
We put minus 1 in a parenthesis.
Less than.
What happens for the sign when we multiply by a negative number? Is it preserved or reversed? Reversed. So the less than becomes greater than minus 2 times minus 1. So the sign is reversed. The greater than becomes less than, the less than becomes greater than. Ali, 20 greater than 16, you should divide by minus 4.
20 divided brackets 20 divided by minus 4.
Yes. What happens for the sign? Greater than becomes less than 16 divided by, so the sign is reversed. Thank you. Now question number 2. We should represent on a number line the solution of each inequality. Ala. We have x greater than 2. What should we draw first? We draw a number line. We write, yes, 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. We have x greater than 2. On 2, it should be dotted or complete? It should be dotted because we don't have equal to the positive, yes. Thank you, Ala. Now, Selena, x less than or equal minus 1. On the number line, what do we write?
0.
0.
Minus 1.
Yes.
Minus 2.
Etc. We should have x less than or equal minus 1. On minus 1, it is dotted or complete? On minus 1, it is complete
The negatives.
to the negative direction. The third one, Hassan, x greater than minus 3. Yes?
0,
0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, etc. Minus 4, etc. Greater than minus 3. On minus 3, is it dotted? Yes, it's dotted towards the positive because greater than minus 3. Now, Dana, x greater than or equal minus 2. We write?
0,
Yes,
minus 1, minus 2,
yes,
minus 3.
etc.
Yeah,
On minus 2, it's dotted or complete?
Complete.
Complete
To the positive.
to the positive. Thank you. Now, question number 3, Ali. Given the numbers minus 4, 2, minus 5, 0, and 1, we should verify those that are solutions of the inequality 3x plus 5 less than 4. To verify if a given value is a solution, what should we do? We substitute the x by the given value or we replace. First, x is equal to?
Minus 4.
So when x is equal to minus 4, replace
3 times minus 4
into minus 4
plus 5
plus 5.
less than 4.
Is it less than 4? We are verifying, so we should write a question mark. Now, 3 times minus 4,
Minus 12
minus 12 plus 5. Is it less than 4? What's minus 12 plus 5? Minus 7. Is it less than 4? So x equal minus 4. X equal minus 4 is a solution. Please don't write and pay attention now. Now, if x is equal to 2, Badia, substitute.
3 into
3 into
2
2
plus 5
plus 5.
less than
Is it less than 4? 3 into 2,
6
6.
plus 5. And is it less than 4?
Yes, 6 plus 5,
11
11. Is it less than 4?
is no.
No. So the first one is yes, this one is no. So is x equal to a solution?
No, it's not a solution.
So x equal to is not a solution. We should write the result, okay? Now, x equal minus 5, Muhammad. Substitute
3 times minus 5
into minus 5.
plus 5
Yes. Is it less than 4? 3 times minus 5
minus 15.
minus 15 plus 5. Is it less than 4? What's minus 15 plus 5?
Minus 10.
Minus 10. Is it less than 4?
Yes.
Yes. So is x equal minus 5 a solution?
X
X
is a solution.
equal minus 5 is a solution. Now, x equals 0. Yes, Ala. Substitute.
3 into 0
Yes.
plus 5 is less, isn't less than 4.
What's 3 times 0?
0 plus 5.
0 plus 5. Is it less than 4?
5 less than 4.
Is 5 less than 4?
No.
No. So, is x equal 0 a solution? It's not a solution. Now, x equals 1, Dana. Substitute.
3 into 1
3 into 1.
plus 5
Yes.
less than 4.
Is it less than 4? We are asking. 3 times 1
3,
plus 5. Is it less than 4? What's 3 plus 5?
8.
8. Is it less than 4?
No,
No. So is x equal 1 a solution?
no,
Is not
a solution.
a solution. Question number 4. First, we are solving equations. Please, I want all of you to pay attention on the board without writing anything now. I'll give you time, okay? Please pay attention. We should solve equations. Equation number 1, we have 2x minus 6 into x plus 1 is equal to 0. Here we have two terms multiplied together are equal to 0. Hassan, how can we solve this equation?
2x minus 6.
Here, how many solutions do we have? two solutions. Either
2x minus 6 equals 0.
either this term is equal to 0 or
X plus 1
is equal to 0. If 2x minus 6 is equal to 0, solve it, Hassan.
2x
Yes.
equals 6.
Is equal to 6.
X equals
Yes.
over 2
Then x equal
to 3.
x is equal to 3. Please always put the solution in a box. I want to see your solutions inside a box. Okay? Or if x plus 1 is equal to 0,
X equals minus 1.
so the solutions are x equal 3 and x equal minus 1. Now the second one, Badia. 3y into 6y plus 4 is equal to 0. Either
3y equal to 0.
Either 3y is equal to 0 or
6y plus 4
6y plus 4
is equal to 0.
is equal to 0. If 3y is equal to 0, then y is equal to 0. This is the first solution because 3 times 0 will give me 0. Now 6y plus 4 is equal to 0.
6y
Yes.
equal
Minus 4.
y equal
Yes.
minus 4 over
6. We should reduce always the fraction, okay? Then y is equal to
minus 2 over 3.
So these are the solutions. Now the third one, how many solutions does the third one have? How many solutions does the third one have? 2 solutions. Yes, Dana. Either
T over 3
t over 3,
minus 5
yes, is equal to 0, or
2t over 7
2t over 7.
plus 1 is equal to 0.
Solve the first one. All the variables on on one side, the numbers on the other sides. So we write t over
T over
3 is equal to
plus 5.
2 is equal to 5. Now we make cross multiplication, Dana, okay? Then t is equal to 3 times 5.
15.
So this is the first solution. Solve the second one, Dana.
2t
Yes.
over 7
Is equal to,
minus 1.
make cross multiplication.
Then
2t times 1 is
2t
2t is equal to 7 times minus 1
minus 7
minus 7. Then t is equal to,
minus 7 over 2.
so this is the second solution. Okay? Now we have x squared minus 9 is equal to 0. Tell me, Selena, what do you see in this equation?
Remarkable identity.
Which one?
The last one.
Which is?
A squared minus B squared.
What's a squared minus b squared?
A minus B into A plus
So we write,
x minus 3
yes,
into x plus 3
into x plus 3.
equal to 0.
Now we have how many solutions? Yeah, now start.
X minus 3 equal to 0.
Then
X is equal to 3.
this is the first solution, or
X plus 3 equals to 0.
then,
X equal minus 3.
thank you. So 2 solutions. Now we have 4x squared minus 5 is equal to 0. Yes, Badia, what do you see here? Which one?
And last one,
We write
2x
2x.
minus 5.
What's the origin of 5?
Radical 5.
Yes, radical 5.
2x
2x
plus radical 5.
plus radical 5 is equal to 0. How many solutions?
2.
Yes, the first one,
2x minus 5 equal to 0.
minus radical 5 is equal to 0, or
2x plus radical 5 equal to 0.
solve the first one,
2x equal radical 5.
then x equal
Radical 5 over 2.
over 2. The second one,
3x
2x is equal to minus radical 5
x equal minus 5 over 2.
minus radical 5 over 2. So this is the first solution, this is the second solution. Now Ali, 9x squared equal 25.
We make the 25
We write,
9 squared minus 21.
what do you have here?
Remarkable identity.
The
3x
third one, 3x minus 5
3x plus
3x plus 5 is equal to 0. How many solutions?
3x minus 5 equals 0.
Yes.
Or 3x plus 5 equals 0.
3x plus 5 is equal to 0. Solve the first one.
3x equals 5.
Yes.
X equals 5 over 3.
This is the first solution. The second one.
3x equals minus 5.
Yes.
X equals minus 5 over 3.
This is the second solution. Now we have y plus 2 squared is equal to 0. What do you write here, Hassan? Y plus 2 squared is equal to 0. What's y plus 2, all of it squared? Y plus 2 into y plus 2. So we have the same solution, right? Which is y plus 2 is equal to 0. Then y is equal to minus 2. Now 3x minus 1 squared, Ala, is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. Solve it. Then x equal, so 1 solution. We continue in the same question. We have 9x squared plus 12x plus 4 is equal to 0. What do you see here, Muhammad? Which one? The first one. We have 3 terms here. So the first one, which is a plus b, all of it squared. How can we write 9x squared plus 12x plus 4? 9x squared, what's a? 3x. Because the sign in the middle is plus, it is plus. What's 4? All of it. Now how can we solve this?
3x plus 4
Yes.
equal to 0.
We have here one solution only, which is 3x is equal to minus 2, then x is equal to minus 2 over 3, only one solution. Now we have 3x squared plus 1 is equal to 0, Hassan. What do you think about this equation? The 10th one. 3x squared plus 1 is equal to 0. What do you think about this equation? Whatever is x, always the solution is not 0, right? If we write x, for example, 0, is 1 equal to 0? No. If we write x equal minus 1, is a 3 plus 1, which is 4, equal to 0? Whatever the value of x is, positive or negative or 0, the answer will always be positive. So what do we say about this one? It's impossible. Does it has any solution? So it's impossible. We have no solution. Please pay attention to such equations, okay? Yes, Hassan, number 11.
We can take common.
We have a common, which is?
2x minus 1.
Yes.
We take
3 plus
5x
is equal to 0. How many solutions do we have? The first one,
2x minus 1 equal to 0.
or
3 plus 5x equal to 0.
solve the first one, please.
2x equal 1.
Then x equal
1 over 2.
1 over 2. The second one, 5x equal,
minus 3.
then x equal
5 over
minus.
3 over 5.
So this is the second solution. Dana, the next one. You have 3x minus 6 into x plus 4 minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. If you look at the terms of this equation, Dana, do you have any remarkable identity?
No.
No. Can you find any similar terms?
No.
Any similar binomials? No. Look at the first parenthesis, 3x minus 6.
Yes.
What do you have in 3x minus 6?
Common.
We have common, which is
3
3 into, we will have,
x minus 2
yes,
is equal to x plus
into x plus 4 minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. Now what do you have?
x minus 2 common.
Now x minus 2 is a common factor.
3
3 into
x plus 4
minus x minus 2 over x minus 2
1.
is 1, right?
Yes.
Yes, is equal to 0. Now x minus 2 into
3x
3x
plus 12
yes,
minus 1
is equal to 0. So now x minus 2
is equal to
3 into 3x plus 11 is equal to 0. How many solutions do we have?
two solutions.
The first one
X minus 2 is it equal to 0?
is equal to 0. Then x equal,
to 2.
this is the first solution,
Or 3x plus 11
is equal to 0.
x
3x is equal to
minus 1
minus 1. Then x equal,
minus 1 over 3.
sorry, 11 here, yes, minus 11 over 3. This is the second solution. Now we have 4y squared minus 6 equal 3y squared plus 10 ala.
4y squared
Yes,
minus 2y squared
yes,
equals
minus 6. Bring the numbers. Minus 6
minus 10
minus 10 is equal to 0. 4y squared minus 3y squared,
1y squared
y squared minus 6 minus 10
minus 6
is equal to 0. What do you have here? Which is
y minus 4
into
y plus 4
is equal to, we should not forget the equal to 0. How many solutions? Yes, the first one,
y minus 4 equals 0
then y equal, this is the first one. The second one,
y plus 4 equals 0
y equal,
minus 4
yes, this is the second solution. 14. Yes, Ali.
9x squared
Minus 25 is the third remarkable identity. We write it?
3x
Yes,
minus 5
yes.
3x plus 5
Bring the other side to the first one.
minus 7x
Minus 7x
3x
into 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. What do we have common? 3x plus 5 into
3x minus 5 minus 7x
minus 7x is equal to 0. Then
3x
plus 5 into
3x minus 5 minus 7x
minus 7x is equal to 0.
minus no 3x is 5
3x minus 7x
minus 4x
minus 5 is equal to 0. How many solutions?
2
Yeah, now start.
3x plus 5 equals 0 or
3x is equal to minus 5
x equal minus 5 over 3
or
minus 4x minus 5 is equal to 0
yes,
minus 4x is equal to 5 x is equal to 5 over 4 or minus 4
these are the two solutions. Now 4x minus 6 into x plus 4 minus 4x squared plus 12x minus 9 is equal to 0. Yes, Selena.
Miss, we keep the first two terms.
We keep them the first two terms. We write
4x
4x minus 6 into x plus 4. We take
similar to the second.
similar. How can we make it like we take minus common?
4x squared
Yes,
minus 12x plus 9 equal to 0.
is equal to 0. Now,
We take 2 common.
yes, make the second one.
Minus into 2x minus 3 all of it.
2x minus 3 all of it squared is equal to 0. Can you see like terms? So what do you see in the first parenthesis? A common 2. Yes,
Into 2x minus 3 into x plus 4 minus into 2x minus 3
2x minus
all of
3.
it squared equal to 0.
Yes, we take common
2x minus 3
2x minus 3 into
2 into x plus 4
2 into x plus 4.
minus into 2x minus 3
2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Yes,
minus 3
2 times x
2x plus 8 minus 2x plus 3 equal to 0.
is equal to 0. Yes, 2x minus 3. Let's reduce the second one. 2x minus 2x,
They cancel each other.
8 plus 3
11.
is equal to 0. How can we write it? 11 into 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Do we take 11 is equal to 0?
No.
Never, because the number we never take it is equal to 0. So we write 2x minus 3. Yes.
2x equals to 3. X is equal to 3 over 2.
Right, 3 over 2. This is the solution of this equation. Now, solve Ali the last one.
2x squared
2x squared.
minus 3x
Yes.
minus 2x squared
Yes.
minus 3x plus e
Plus 5 is equal to 0. 2x squared minus 2x squared minus 3x minus 3x minus 6x. Yes. Then minus 6x is equal to minus 5. X is equal to minus 5 over minus 6.
x is equal to 5 over 6.
This is the solution, which is x equal 5 over 6. Now we are going to solve equations. Start with the first inequation, Ala. 2x minus 5 less than 3.
2x is less than 3 plus 5.
3 plus 5.
2x is less than 8.
2x less than 8. We divide both sides by 2. 2x divided by 2.
X
When we divide by a positive number, the sign is
Preserved.
preserved. 8 divided by 2.
4.
So this is the solution of the inequality. 3x plus 7 greater than 2x minus 3. Yes, Dana?
3x
Yes.
minus 2x
Yes.
greater than minus 3 minus 7.
3x minus 2x.
X
X greater than
minus 10.
minus 10. So this is the solution. Now we see. Yes, Badia?
2x
We get rid of the parentheses first. Yes.
2x minus 2
Greater than or equal
5x
5x plus 7. We get the x's on one side.
minus 5x
Yes.
greater or equal
7 plus
2
2x minus 5x
minus 3x
minus 3x greater than or equal
plus
9. We divide both sides by.
Minus 3.
When we divide by minus 3, the sign is
Reverse.
reversed. Minus 3x divided by minus 3.
minus x
X
less than
or equal 9 divided by minus 3. Minus 3. Do you see what have we done?
Yes.
When we divide by a negative number, the sign is reversed. Okay, don't forget. D, Selena.
Minus 7x
Yes.
plus 3x minus 3 is less than or equal to minus 3x plus 2.
Continue.
Minus 4x
Minus 4x.
minus-
Get the minus 3x to the other side.
plus
Plus 3x less than or equal 2 plus 3. Minus 4x plus 3x
minus x
minus x is less than or equal
5.
We divide both sides by
Minus
minus 1. The sign is,
Reverse.
yes, it becomes x
Is
greater than or equal
minus 5.
minus 5. Are these difficult? What, Hassan? Difficult? Do you find them difficult?
no
Hassan, solve E.
5 and 10x
We have first 5x over 3. We keep it 5x over 3. Get 2x plus 1 minus. Get 2x plus 1 over 2 to the other side. 2x plus 1 over 2 greater than
minus 2 over minus 1 over 3
minus 1 over 3
minus
plus 2. Now let's take a common denominator for the first side. 6. 6 over 3 times 5x, 10x. 6 over 2, so we write minus 3 into 2x plus 1 greater than, also we take 6 common, take 6 over 3, 2 times minus 1 minus 2, 6 over 1 times 2 plus 12. Let's solve the first one. No, we don't cross 6. We write 10x minus 6x minus 3 over 6 greater than 10 over 6. 10x minus 6x, 4x minus 3 over 6 greater than 10 over 6. Now we divide both sides by 6. We will have 4x minus 3 greater than 10. Then Hassan, 4x greater than plus 3. 4x greater than, then x greater than 13 over 4. This is the solution of the inequality. Now f multiply على 7x plus 8 less than,
7x plus 14
yes,
minus 6.
continue,
7x minus 7x
yes,
minus 8.
minus 8. 7x minus 7x, 0x is less than 0. Impossible, because for any value of x this is impossible. Question number 5. We are given two algebraic expressions, p of x and q of x. We should in part A expand and reduce p of x and q of x. Start Dana expanding p of x.
5 into
What do we mean by expanding? Who can tell me? What do we? We should get rid of the parentheses. If we look, we have 5 into x plus 1, all of it squared. This squared is for whom?
for x plus 1.
Only for x plus 1. Do we multiply 5 with the parentheses first, Dana, or we get rid of the power?
You get rid of the power.
Okay, what's this x plus 1 squared?
X squared
What's this? A remarkable identity. So we write 5 into
x squared
x squared
plus 2x
plus 2x
plus 1.
plus 1. Now, in the second one, we have minus x multiplied by a parenthesis. We multiply the sign, minus times plus, minus x.
2x squared
So this is 2x squared
minus
minus
2x.
2x. Now, the first parenthesis, we multiply it by 5. Multiply.
5x squared
Yes,
plus 10x
yes,
plus 5
minus 2x squared minus 2x. After getting rid of the parentheses, now we reduce the similar terms. Who are the similar terms?
5x squared minus 2x squared
5 minus 2,
3
3 what?
x squared
X squared. We also have plus 10x minus 2x. This
plus
and this.
8x.
This is plus 8x. The numbers we have,
9 plus 9
where's 9? We have only plus 5. So this is the expanded p of x. Now, Badia, we have the second algebraic expression, which is q of x. Expanded, please. Also, we have the first two parentheses multiplied together. Please, Dana, pay attention how we multiply two parentheses. Yes, Badia.
2x times x
Yes.
equal to x squared
Yes.
plus 2x times 1 2x
2x times plus 1 is plus 2x. Now we multiply.
3 times
Minus 3 by x is
minus 3x
minus 3x. Minus 3 by 1 is
minus 3
minus 3, and the others go down. Minus x squared plus 1. Now similar terms, Badia.
2x squared minus 4
Minus x squared is
equal to x squared
x squared. We have plus 2x minus 3x
minus x
minus x. We have minus 3 plus 1 minus 2. So we got the expanded p of x and the expanded q of x. Now in part B, we should factorize p of x and q of x. Start Hassan factorizing p of x, please. If we look at P of X, please all of you look at P of X. Do we have any similar terms?
No.
Any common? Do we have any common?
No.
Can we see any common? No. But if we look at the second parenthesis, we can see that we have 2x plus 2. Let's look inside the second parenthesis. If we have 2x plus 2, what do we take common?
2.
We take common outside 2. So we write 5 into x plus 1 squared minus, if we get 2 outside, we multiply it by x. It becomes 2x into x plus 1. Now what do you have, Hassan? X plus 1 is common. If we take x plus 1 is common, yes, 5 into x plus 1 minus 2x. Let's get rid of the second parenthesis. X plus 1 into
5x.
Yes.
Plus 5.
Yes.
Minus 2x.
Okay, in the second parenthesis, the similar terms together. 5x minus 2x, 3x plus 5. So this is the factorized P of x. Now, Ala, let's factorize Q of x. Do you see common? But what do you see in the second part of the algebraic expression? Similar to a remarkable identity. Similar to which remarkable identity? The last one. How can we make it the same of the last remarkable identity? Yes, we take minus common because we don't have a remarkable identity minus x squared plus 1. If we take minus common, we open always parentheses, we get x squared minus 1. Now how can we write Ala x squared minus 1?
X minus 1.
It's the second remarkable identity, x minus 1 into x plus 1. Now we have common
X minus 2.
x plus 1. Yes.
2x minus
Yes.
into x
minus x minus 1. Okay. So we have x plus 1 into
2x minus 2
yes
minus x plus 2.
minus x plus 1. Please, when you are multiplying, pay attention for the signs because some of you are still having mistakes in the signs. 2x minus x minus 3 plus 1 minus 2. So this is how we factorize. Now we should solve P of x equals 0. To solve P of x equals 0, what do we take? The expanded or the factorized to solve? To solve, we take the factorized. Who can tell me again what's the factorized P of x?
X plus 1
X plus 1
3x plus 5
into 3x plus 5. This is equal to 0. How many solutions do we have? How many solutions? Two solutions. X plus 1, Selena, is equal to 0 or?
3x plus 5 is equal to 0.
Okay, is equal to 0. Solve the first one.
X is equal to minus 1.
This is the first solution. Always please put the solution in a box, okay? And
3x equals minus 5.
yes, then x equal
Minus 5 over 3.
minus 5 over 3. So please pay attention. If we want to solve, we take the factorized, okay? The second one, we should solve q of x equal to 0. What's q of x? Factorized q of x, Ali. X plus 1 into x minus 2 is equal to 0. How many solutions? Yeah, now start. X plus 1 is equal to 0 and or what? Yes, x equals 2, so we have two solutions. Now we should factorize Badia. P of x equal q of x. Can you give me the factorized P of x, Badia? Factorized P of x. What's the answer of the factorized? Yes. Into 3x plus 5 is equal to, can you give me the factorized q of x? X plus 1 into x minus 2. we get the second to the first part of the equation. Start, Badia.
X plus 1.
Yes.
3x
Into
plus 5.
3x plus 5 minus,
X plus 1.
yes,
X minus 1.
is equal to 0. What do we take common?
X plus 1.
Yes.
Second parenthesis. 3x plus 5.
Yes.
Minus x plus 1.
X minus
2.
2 equal to 0. Then
X plus 1.
into
3x plus 5.
multiply by minus
X plus 2.
is equal to 0. Then x plus 1 into reduce 3x minus x.
2x.
2x plus 7 is equal to 0. How many solutions do we have, Badia?
2.
2.
X plus 1.
X plus 1
0.
is equal to 0.
X equal
Then x equal
minus 1.
minus 1. Or
2x plus 7.
is equal to 0.
2x equal minus 7.
Yes.
And x equal minus 7 over 2.
Good. Minus 7 over 2. So can you see when we solve P of x equal to 0, Q of x equal to 0, P of x equal Q of x, we take the factorized. Now, P of x equal 5. What's easier? Look at the two answers, the factorized and the expanded. What's easier? The expanded. Tell me, Hassan, what's the answer of the expanded P of x?
3x squared
3x squared,
plus 8x
yes,
plus 5
plus 5 is equal to 5.
3x squared
Yes,
plus 8x plus 5
yes,
minus 1
is equal
equal
to 0. Then
3x squared plus 8
plus 5 minus 5,
Cancel.
they cancel each other, is equal to 0. Now what do we take common?
x into 3x plus 8
Is equal to 0. How many solutions do we have?
2
X is equal to 0 is the first solution, or
3x plus 8 equal to 0
3x plus 8 is equal to 0.
3x equal minus 8
Yes,
x equal minus 8 over 3.
this is the second solution. So did you see how we took here the expanded P of x? Because it's equal to 5. Now Q of x is equal to 2. What's the factor, the expanded Q of x? Give me the expanded Q of x. Yes, Ala? X squared minus x minus 2 is equal to 2. This should be Q of x is equal to minus 2 here. Please do this, minus 2. So x squared minus x minus 2, we get the minus 2 to the second part is equal to 0. Minus 2 cancels plus 2. What do we get? X squared minus x is equal to 0. What do we take common? We take x common. X into x minus 1 is equal to 0. Then x is equal to 0, or x minus 1 is equal to 0. Then x is equal to 1. We have two solutions. Now we should calculate P of 1. To calculate the numerical value of P of 1, what do we take? The expanded. Give me the expanded form, Selena, of P. 3x squared
plus 8x
yes
plus 5
plus 5. What do we substitute x by? 1. Substitute, Selena.
3 into 1
Yes,
squared
1 squared
plus 8 into 1
yes
plus 5
plus 5. We get rid of the power. 3 into
1
8 times 1
8
8
plus 5
plus 5. 3 times 1
3
3 plus 8 plus 5. We order of operation. 3 plus 8 is 11 plus 5 is 16. Okay, so we substitute the given value of x in the expanded form of P of x. Now, Dana, give me the expanded Q of x.
x squared
X squared
minus x
minus x
minus
minus
2
2. We substitute x by
minus 1
substitute.
minus 1
Yes.
squared
How do you put a minus 1 inside parentheses to the power 2 minus
into minus
minus 1
minus
minus 2. Now minus 1 squared is
1
1. Minus times minus
plus
plus 1 minus 2. Order of operation 1 plus 1
2
2 minus 2 is equal to
0.
0. Now q of 0 Muhammad. We have q of x is equal x squared minus x minus 2. Substitute 0 Muhammad.
Equal 0 squared
0 squared
minus 0
minus 0.
minus 2.
What's 0 squared?
0
0 minus 0 minus 2. 0 minus 0
0
minus 2 is
minus 2.
minus 2. So we got the numerical value of each expression. Okay, thank you. Any question?
No.